Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I want to show you a workflow that will seriously cut down the grunt work of turning long videos into snackable social clips and captions. If you run an online business or create a lot of long-form content, you know the struggle. Great footage sits on your hard drive and posting consistently across socials takes forever. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how I let Vizard handle the heavy lifting, auto-editing viral clips, writing punchy captions, and slotting everything into a content calendar. Think of it like this: every time you finish filming a long session, instead of manually scrubbing and exporting 10 clips, Vizard can find the juicy moments and produce ready-to-post clips. No tedious trimming, no context-free caption copies, and no losing the momentum of a trending moment. Okay, let's get practical, and I'll show you my process step by step using a sample piece of footage from a full-day team photo shoot. First, get into Vizard and create a new project by uploading your long video file to the dashboard. While it's uploading, think about what kind of clips you want. Upbeat highlights, educational sound bites, product visuals, or personality-driven moments. Second, let the AI auto-edit by telling Vizard the clip length range you prefer, like 15 to 60 seconds for Reels, Shorts, and TikTok. Toggle whether you want it to prioritize viral hooks or product showcases, and the AI will analyze the whole video to find the best segments. It's kind of wild how fast it finds the moments that would have taken you hours of manual labor to discover on your own. Third, it is time for captions and copy, which is one of the biggest time sinks for most creators today. Vizard doesn't just slap generic text under each clip. It auto-generates captions tailored to the clip's content, tone, and specific platform norms. For example, for a clip of a team laughing, it might suggest a caption that includes a call to action and relevant emojis to boost engagement. If you prefer a different angle, like something more formal or product-focused, you can easily tweak the tone settings and remap the caption generation. Quick tip: don't lock captions in as static text if you're using batch exports. Keep fields dynamic if you're pulling from a spreadsheet. Fourth, review and edit, because even though the AI is smart, you'll want to glance through the generated clips and captions. Vizard gives you an editor where you can do tiny tweaks like trimming a fraction of a second or changing the caption wording. You can also add a branded intro or overlay, which is where you really keep your brand voice consistent across all your outputs. Fifth, scheduling is where things go from being merely nice to completely frictionless for your daily routine. Set your posting frequency and let the auto schedule feature handle the rest by picking optimal publishing windows based on platform trends. No more manual dragging into a scheduler or forgetting to post at the right time, as this automation saves me hours each week. Sixth, utilize the content calendar to see everything in one place, which is an absolute lifesaver for planning thematic weeks. This centralized view prevents last-minute chaos and makes it easy to preview scheduled posts across YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Let me show you a real example from that team photo shoot where I generated 8 clips in less than 5 minutes. One clip was a moment where the lead designer explains the new color palette, which turned into a perfect product-focused reel. Another clip was a montage of the team laughing, which performed well because those micro-engagement CTAs really convert passive scrollers into commenters. Now, to be honest, I've compared this to other options like Descript or Capwing, which are great for editing but often require manual work to select highlights. Vizard's true edge is that it bundles auto-editing, caption generation, and scheduling into one flow designed for scale without losing quality. That doesn't mean it's a magic button that replaces you. You still need to guide it and tweak captions for your specific brand voice. A few practical setup tips: name projects clearly so you can find them later, and keep your caption style guidelines handy for consistency. Finally, Vizard provides performance snapshots so you can see which clips get the most views, likes, and saves, which helps you iterate. To wrap up, Vizard is a practical solution that automates the tedious parts so you can focus on creating the next great piece of content. If you try this workflow, tell me what kind of footage you used and what the AI picked, as I love seeing the surprise winners. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, share it with a friend who's buried in raw footage and let the tools handle the busy work.